Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to the free card kit of the month video. In order for you to receive this free card kit and a small product gift sent directly to your Canadian mailbox, all you have to do is shop in my online store at a $50 minimum. No host code needed. But wait, there's more. Want to earn a free stamp set just for being a loyal customer? Check out the description box below. You'll find more information about this free card kit and my loyalty rewards program. And if you're watching this video to figure out how to put your kit together, I just want to say thank you for shopping with me, or thanks for being on my team. I appreciate you all so very much. For this month's card kit, I have decided to use this stamp set called Exciting Times. It does come with a punch. And of course, I would encourage you to use whatever sentiment you would fit in these stitched circles. So yes, I did die cut the stitch circle out of this piece of basic white, a little square there, and I'm going to ink up my stamp that says happy birthday to you with granny apple green, and then I'm going to go in with my finger dauber and I'm going to daub on the ink on the bottom half. So it's going to be like a two-tone green. This works really nicely if you're doing leaves and you have shaded spruce, goes really well with granny apple green as well. So anyway, you don't need to, this isn't a color coordination video. It is the card kit. So again, you get two cards that you can do whatever you want with, right? So I'm going to show you how I put mine together and how they were designed. But when you get this card kit, you can do what you like. So I am covering up that big circle in the center. This is a little tip for those of you who are trying to, stretch your stamping supplies. No one's going to know. No one's going to know. It's all fine. See, you can't see it. You can't see that big hole in the center because we hit it. So that pattern paper is called In the Valley, Bloom in the Valley. Valley and Bloom. I was completely opposite. What am I? I'm speaking some other language aside from English. But they're kind of unique papers. Like they would be good in a scrapbook. I'm not a scrapbooker, but I can use this design in your cards. It just doesn't have to be a huge focal piece. The focal piece is going to be the sentiment and this fun little strip. So I think I'm about 2 inches from the bottom. I'm just kind of measuring. I'm just eyeballing it. It's not quite in the center. It's a little bit further down. It's just what I wanted what looked good with my eye. So you do the same for you, right? I measured up the second one up to it. You can see these are two very different cards because of the pattern paper, but the design is the same. The happy birthday sentiment I do have on dimensionals, and I will put one off to the side and one in the center. So you guys, I'm going to leave links in the description box below in case you want to check out any of the products for yourself. And again, I've said this a million times. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider it, as it really helps my small channel grow. Click the little bell too, so that you get alerted whenever I post, because I'm not regular in the times that I post, but I do try to post Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And that being said, thanks so much for watching. Leave me some lovely comments below, and I will be back on Wednesday. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.